Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will tell you how the silver price has moved in the last week and how the silver price can move in the next week. See, if you look at the price of silver, what you can see here, that price of silver since 2014 it's moving in this particular zone. Okay, and if you just go one beyond, that means if you go on September 2014, we can see that this is the range where the and that the high was that of that particular zone was 21.152. okay, and after this particular zone has break upside, we have seen a continuous rise, and this particular rise has made an high at a level of 29.875. This particular high and this particular high are already being tested. So what is the probability? I have already told you that if particular resistance tested twice, for the third time if it goes upside, the probability of moving upside is very high. Before we move forward, if you have any doubt regarding silver or any other commodities, even forex and stocks, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and a mail ID I have given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical in silver and other commodities are working. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I have given in the description, you can join. Now look at the chart. This is the particular zone we have seen the silver is moving currently. Suppose if this price sustain this particular level, we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 22.103. okay, why? Because this is the candle's high, the previous candle's high. Suppose, and if this level sustain, we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 22.243. okay, and once this level goes upside, we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 22.383. okay, and once this particular zone sustain above this level, then we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 22.662, and from there we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 22.989. okay, once this 22.989, if this level sustain, we can see a probability of going towards a level of 23.222 is high. okay, and once this level sustain, because this level is again a weak support, weak resistance, so probability will be high. We can see it can move further upside towards a level of 23.967. okay, and once this level sustain, we can see it can move further high towards a level of 24.340, and from there we can see a level of 24.712. okay, now if you look at this particular price, it is trading at around 21.906. okay, and if you look at this particular trend, we can see if we go from 9th of May 2022, we can say a trend towards an upside has been moving. okay, and if it is around 15 days, we have seen a continuous rise. Suppose if this particular level didn't sustain, I've already told you that if it goes above level up, it can move further upside, but if it goes below this particular level, what is trading at okay, we can see a level of 21.684, and if this particular level didn't sustain that also, then we can see a probability of touching a level of 21.451 is very high, and this level is already being a weekend support, I've already told you. So probability will be very high. We can see it can move further down towards a level of 20.892, and from there we can see it can move further down towards a level of 20.473. okay, and once before it goes below a level of 20.985, we can see it can move further down towards a level of 20.659, and from there we can see it can move further low towards a level of 20.426. okay, again if the price goes below that level, then we can see it can move further low towards a level of 20.193, and from there we can see it can move further down towards a level of 20.100. okay, suppose if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can move further down towards a level of 19.821. again I repeat, suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, we can see it can move further down towards a level of 21.731, and from there we can see it can move further low towards a level of 21.591. okay, and if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 21.451, and this is the weekend support, so probability will be high. We can see it can move further low towards a level of 20.846, and if this level goes downside, we can see it can move further down towards a level of 20.520, and if that level also goes downside, we can see a level of 20.100. Suppose if the price didn't sustain this level also, we can see it can move further down towards a level of 19.681, and if this level didn't sustain, then we can see it can move further down. Now understand something, if you are trading or investing, please consult your advisor before you invest or trade. Now what I teach in my trading workshop, see, if you are trading with suppose $10,000, okay, try to trade with 10 to 15% of your capital per trade. okay, if this is the particular capital, that is around 1000, to 1500. Okay, and risk should be 0.5 to 1% of this particular range, that is around $50 to $100. Okay, now understand something. $50 to $100. Okay, suppose if you take 5 trades per day, and if you lose all 5 times, your risk will be $500, that is maximum of $100 per trade. Okay, now suppose if you lose for the, if you will trade, you will not be in a situation to recover this amount because this is small. Okay, rather than you will focus more on profit then rather than recovering this amount. What people do is they make so much of loss that they try to recover the loss, and because of which they lose their full capital. Okay, this is what they do. What I teach in my workshop, and some of the points. Okay, so if you want to attend my workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timing. Okay, and then you can attend the workshop. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please go a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it.